Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all cache in Windows 10 or 11. So first up, head on over to the Start menu, right-click, and go to Run. Step 2. Clear Temp Files. In the Run box, type Temp and hit Enter. You'll have a bunch of files here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then press Ctrl+D to delete those files. There might be a few files that can't be deleted, and that's perfectly fine. Step 3. Clear the second temp folder. Now, right-click on the Start menu again, select Run, and type %temp% into the box, then hit Enter. This opens the second temp folder. Select all files here by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them the same way. Step 4. Open this PC. Next, head on, navigate to the C drive. Step 5. Delete software distribution files. Now go to Windows and then to Software Distribution. Inside the Software Distribution folder, head to the Download folder. You can delete everything here. Click Continue as administrator to delete all those files. Step 6. Optimize and defrag drive. Once that's done, head back to the C drive, right-click it, and select Properties. Then go to the Tools tab. Here you can optimize and defrag your drive by pressing Optimize. I don't recommend doing this if you have an SSD, as it's unnecessary for that type of drive. Step 7. Run Disk Cleanup. Next, again, go to Drive Properties, select Disk Cleanup, and make sure to select all the files to clean up. Once selected, click on Clean Up System Files to finish up. Step 8. Refresh IP and DNS. Now that we've cleared the cache and optimized the system, let's refresh your IP and DNS. Open Command Prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands. ipconfig/release. This releases your current IP address. Then type ipconfig/renew to renew your IP address. Next, type ipconfig/flushdns to flush the DNS cache. Finally, type ipconfig/registerdns to re-register your DNS settings. Now, after doing this, restart your router and PC. And that's it. Your system is now optimized and your IP/DNS have been refreshed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.